Good morning, children. Let us continue with lesson number 2, numbers. Today we will learn subtraction book exercise in page number 45. Let us practice book exercise in page number 45. First sum. 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1. First number 6. Keep 6 in the mind and take 1 in the finger. Before 6, let us say, children, 5. 6 minus 1, 5. Remaining sums, homework. Thank you, children.